Hi, I'm Steve from Sparks Coffee Roasters, and today we're going to be showcasing the Aeropress brewing method and how to make really good coffee using the Aeropress at home. The Aeropress is really good, it's a really durable system, all made of BPA-free plastic, so you can sort of take it camping or anywhere and nothing's glass or going to break on you, and it makes a really good cup of coffee. For that, you're going to need some nice hot water, about 90 degrees, preferably filtered if you can get it. You need the Aeropress unit, which consists of the plunger, the brewing chamber, the funnel, the filter holder, and some filter papers. So to start off with, get some nice freshly medium coarse ground coffee and a scale and timer and something to stir it with. The first step you want to do is try and pre-warm everything. So you want everything nice and warm so nothing's taking heat away from the coffee extraction. So to do that, we just chuck a bit of water into our brewing unit. This is called the inverted method, so you're actually sort of brewing it upside down and then you're going to flip it over and press it into your coffee at the end. So because of the plunger underneath, it creates a nice tight seal. And the other thing you want to do is just pre-wet your filter paper and to get rid of that sort of papery taste and get that nice and warm as well. And the last thing you can warm up is obviously your mug or carafe or whatever you're going to use to brew into. The recipe we're going to use today is makes sort of like a concentrate. So in this unit you can only fit about 140 mils of water, so we're going to make a real nice concentrate in here that we can then split into 2 cups of coffee for you and someone else to share a cup of coffee together. So once this is all nice and warmed up, so what you want to do is go ahead and put it on your scales and tear it off, and using the funnel you're going to add your 35 grams of nicely medium coarse Sparks fresh coffee. After that you just want to tap it to make sure it's nice and level, then we can get ready to start brewing. So what you want to do with this is you want all the grounds to sort of wet evenly so your extraction is as even as possible. So we're going to pour in our water quite quickly and violently to agitate the slurry, and then we're just going to give it a quick stir with the paddle to get everything going. So we start our timer and then introduce our water quite quickly over about 15 seconds if we can. Then we just want to go ahead and agitate it quite quickly. And so by the 20-second mark, you want all your coffee to be nice and wet and evenly extracting. And you just want to put your filter paper on top, and then we're going to leave that to brew till about the 1 minute mark. And that's going to give us a nice even extraction through all our coffee. And then we can prepare to invert and press down. And we want to take about 30 seconds to press down. And that should give us a nice sort of bit of crema on top and a nice filtered coffee. So at the 1 minute mark, you want to start your pressing down. You want to be pushing down over about 30 seconds to finish up at about the 130, 135 minute mark. And you have a little bit of air at the top. And now from there, we have a nice concentrate that we can then split over 2 cups for a perfectly brewed coffee. So this is a good thing where if you like it a bit stronger or a bit weaker, you can add a little bit more or less water. So what we can just do is chuck it on our scale again. And we just want to add about 140 mils. And that's our beautiful liquid gold at the end. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm Steve from Sparks.